Hello again, dear watchers. For this video, we are to talk about the user registration system. So, if there are any background noises, please bear with me. I am sorry. So, first, let's start. Uh, as you can see on this board, we have initialized the special character and the max attempt that we are to attempt for our registration. So these are the special characters we are to input in our password. So first, of course, we are to display this was a user registration. Then name of the user, username, or other words, it is the user info. Then part is one on this part. While true, you type to lower. So for this part, the user, ito yung part na pinapaulit ang input hanggang sa maging tama yung type ng user. Then, then for this one, uh, the user would input whether he is a user or he is an admin. Okay po? And, of course, it will be accepted. Then, next, if it's none of the above, the user inputted not user, admin, it would say this one. Next, for the password validation. This for the password validation, we have to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys remember 5. And for the 8, it should be 8 characters. There should be an uppercase. There should be a lowercase. There should be a number and a special character. This one. Among this one. Oops, sorry. Okay, sorry. Continue. So, for the max attempt, for this one, para magkaroon ng limitation, and again, our max attempt is 3. Then, if length, password. So, dito, it would check yung haba ng characters. If it is, it must be at least 8 characters. It would check dito yung even yung number and this one. Kasi, it is because we did not use int. We did not converted it to int. Okay po. So, it will be read all as a string. Read po all as a character. Ito po i-check niya one by one. And if not, then babalik. Then, next, if not any, password is lower. This one, dapat may lowercase yung password. Upper, dapat may uppercase yung password. And for this one, it will check if the password has what po? Digit or number. Password must have a digit, must have a number, etc. So, the next one, if the password will check if it has special character, any of these po will be considered. Any of that will be considered. Then if not, then sorry, if all has been met, then we will proceed to this. You need to retype your password for confirmation. If yes, then registration successful. If not, you must try again for the password to not match. It must match. That's why it says here. Confirm po yung valid password. That's why kinol po dito yun. Then, this one for the max attempt. Sa bawat pagkakamali, mababawasan. Then, if naubos, this one would show too many failed attempts. Registration failed. Then ulit. Then if proceeded, this will be display. This will be the display. So let us try about this po. This one. Have 3. Oops, sorry. In this one, this part. Special character sequence. So in this one, Still no. Did I change earlier? I changed earlier, so wait only. Okay. Uh, so next, so you can see I already fixed the error. This one. I doubled the backslash. Because nagkaroon ng error, it is because yung backslash inside the string was treated as an escape character in Python. That is why ayun yung naging cause earlier. So now let us participate once again in our output poll. So let us try this output. Let's try output this one. Sorry, it's already running na pala. Let's say Anch. Yes. And then Anch 123. I am an admin. Password registration. I will correct the password before. Anch 123 plus plus. Sorry again. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly 8 characters as well. Special characters, digit, lowercase, uppercase. Okay, proceed. Anch 1, 2, 3 plus plus. Tama. Oh, okay. Successful. Let's try. Anch, Anch 2, Anch 3. Ayos sir. Sir naman. Yan, nalabas niya lahat. So, nakita nyo? Yan, kinountdown niya na ako. There is a countdown. So, Anch 3. Yan. Lagay niya yung kulang. So, lastly, correct na natin. Again, Anch 1, 2, 3, plus plus. Oh, proceed na siya. Namali natin. Okay, now attempts. As you can see, namali. Kaya, as you can see, our program was running. So, next part will be the log for this problem. So, see you at the next video.